Hi everyone, Matt Tietz, owner of McDonough Manufacturing. Today I want to talk about how important it is to have a McDonough factory rebuild any equipment for you. So behind me we've got a 54 center split resaw, something we've been making for I think probably 130 or more years. We've got 3 of those used pieces of machinery in our inventory right now. 2 are out in the shed, and this one is well on its way to being finished rebuilding. So you can see what McDonough does here is it looks almost like a brand new machine. This thing was pretty ugly when it got to us. We strip everything off the machine, we sandblast it, and we replace any part that is either obsolete, worn, or of course broken. So what we've got here in the feed works, you can see a lot of this feed works is brand new. We've obviously got new motors, chain sprockets, that type of thing. We've put a new cradle in here, so we've got brand new ways, brand new roll brackets. Even the table, the feed rolls here are either resurfaced brand new, or we provide a brand new roll there. You can see here also, we're doing all new electrical on this one, so we'll fill this J-box with the necessary electrical. But we're salvaging the column, the base, hand wheels, some of the bigger weldments or castings. The wheel assemblies, top wheel, lower wheel assembly, we strip those down as well. Everything is mic'd and inspected. We put brand new bearings in the wheels. We balance it, we repaint it, assemble everything together, and then we will do a full test just like a brand new machine. So when this rebuild is done, we put a 1-year warranty on it, which is the same exact warranty as a brand new machine. So you can be assured when you get this rebuilt machine that it's a McDonough.